Hello and welcome to Confessions of a Refashionista. I'm Refashionista Sherry and I am here to show you how to live affordably, sustainably, because why? Being eco-friendly shouldn't cost the earth. Now today I have something a little bit different for you, and if you've watched my last few videos, you know I am headed off to Mexico for a little bit of dental tourism, which I will share the whole big story plus my experience there in a coming soon video, so watch out for that. But I couldn't believe when I opened my inbox and had an email from a fabulous swim and beachwear company, Popville, wanting to collaborate with me, with little B. What timing, what amazing timing. So of course I said, yes, please, because who doesn't want to have some fancy new swim and beachwear to go on their tourism dental holiday, dental tourism holiday. So that's exactly what I did. And they sent me 5 amazing items, which we will get into very, very soon. And I, of course, will be showing you my little try on and testing them out in Mexico. So I don't think you can get any better than that for testing a product than actually, testing it on the beach, on the pool, and everywhere. And 100%, please let me know which one is your favorite, which one maybe you would like to have yourself, because of course I do have a lovely discount code for you guys, and the links for all of the stuff I got will be down in the description box for you, so check that out. And you know what? It is time to just dive right in.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.
Hooray! The items from my collab with Popville have arrived. Wowza, wowza, wowza. Look at all this packaging that I'm going to reuse here. Okay, let's go try all of this on. I am so excited. Okay, now let's jump into the show and tell and try on here, because that's what you're really here for, right? Let's be honest. Okay, so the first one I got was this, I mean, how adorable is that pattern? And these fit so perfectly, and I believe everything that I got is actually in a size large, and that was the recommended size for me, so cool, great. And I mean, they do, the bottoms fit really, really well. The top, it fits, it just doesn't offer me the kind of support that I need. I mean, my girls here are a 32 double F. That's in UK sizing, so 32H in US sizing. And this just, it's adorable as it is. And it's so soft. The fabric is so nice to wear. It just doesn't offer me the right kind of support that I need. But with all of these things, I will be linking down below. So perhaps if you don't need the same kind of support as me, this would be right up your alley because it is adorable. The straps are adjustable. The back is a really nice sturdy clip here. It just, I wish it had more support in it, but I may be able to find something with the similar fabric on their site. I'll have to check and see. The next one I got is this super adorable scalloped edge bikini here. And I mean, I usually don't go for high-waisted, and maybe that's because I'm a Gen Xer, I don't know. And our kind of thing way back then was the more low-rise stuff. But I actually find these to be really, really comfortable, and I really love the scalloped edge on this. Plus, the top actually is incredibly supportive, and I was really shocked about that, but I think it might be because the straps are crossed in the back. And not only are these, of course, fully adjustable, and they're quite thick, which is always a good thing when you have a more generous chest up front, but let's see if I can find it here. Yes, also Not sure, can you see? This is actually adjustable. The back clasp has 3 different positions you can put it in. So it really does fit more like a bra. And that does, I think, make it a lot more supportive than the ones with just the single clasp in the back. And I really, really like this. It looks lovely on, in my humble opinion. And like I said, it is very comfortable and I do feel supported, even though it is like a triangle bikini. Plus, of course, there is the kind of extra little bit of support padding in here, which is always good, you know, when you're splashing around and jumping around in the water. I also got this absolutely gorgeous beach cover up. I really love the embroidered inserts here and the fact that it is so light and airy and swingy. Plus it has really pretty lace on the cuffs. I mean, it's just going to be perfect for wandering around in the hot sun. If you've been following me for a while, then you know that I adore a good lounge pant. So I, of course, had to get these. And these are technically, I guess, beach trousers, are they? But look at that. Look at the hems. How beautiful is that lace? And they are a little bit transparent. But again, it's for beachwear, so they are very, very easy breezy, light and airy. But I think this will be an absolutely beautiful pair of bottoms to wear with my lovely black bikini. What do you think? Now, full disclosure, I did have to shorten these because they were incredibly long on me. So that is just something to keep in mind, is that I think a lot of the items are going to run a little bit longer. So if you are on the shorter side, like myself, you may have to bust out your sewing machine, but it's totally worth it. And this was so easy to do. I just chopped off these bottoms, chopped the length to what I needed, and then reattached them. Super simple. How beautiful is this? It's just, this wrap dress is stunning. I am so pleased with this. It is definitely a maxi length on me, which I absolutely love, and will be perfect for those really kind of maybe humid summer nights, I think, where you just want to maybe feel a little bit glam and wander about, even if just in your backyard. I mean, it truly is beautiful. The fabric is so, I keep saying this, but it's so light and airy. I mean, it really is perfect for the hot weather, and I just adore the pattern on this. They did have other patterns, but of course I had to go for the lovely teal blue and pink because, I mean, my favorite colors are teal, blue, pink, and lilac. So you can't get any better than this for me. I am so thankful to Popfil. This has just absolutely made my trip to Mexico even better. And now I'm actually a lot more excited, of course, because it's dental tourism. I mean, who wants to really go to the dentist, even if it is on a lovely beach, right? I mean, still, but I know I'm going to look great and feel great while I'm there. And if you would love to score some fantastic items from the Popfil site, of course, I do have a wonderful discount code for you. It is down below, along with the links for all of the items that I got in case something really spoke to you. Definitely check them out. And again, thank you so much to Popfil for this fantabulous collaboration that couldn't have come at a better time. Now, for loads more tips, tricks, and rockin' Refashionista tutorials, and of course, sustainable style inspiration, head on over to my refashionistasherry.com. Everything is over there, or just stay on my channel. I mean, I've categorized everything pretty well. I think I have loads of different playlists, so just raid your closet and start upcycling and refashioning those items that maybe you don't think are so cool anymore. And until next time, stay safe, stay well, and I'll catch ya on the zigzag. Oh yeah, let me know which one is your favorite. Let me know down below which one you like the best.